All right, so that was the market. We're going to drill down on more markets now. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing. We see the market cap up this morning, up about 2.27% at 1.76 trillion. Volume traded, $79.42 billion traded in Bitcoin and the altcoins this morning. Bitcoin dominance sits at 42.25%. And look at the price of Bitcoin, $39,015 this morning. We see Bitcoin price again bearish momentum after it broke the 39,000 support zone, and Bitcoin even traded below the 38,000 level and settled below the 100 hourly simple moving average. It was a spike below the 37.5 support zone, a low that was formed at $37,399, and the price is now correcting higher. It was a move above the 38,000 and 38,200 resistance level, and we saw about it got to about 39,000 earlier this morning. Looking at the price of Ethereum there, we see $2,863. That's up about 2.89%. Volume traded in Ethereum, $15.04 billion. We see Ethereum also followed the bearish path below the $2,850 pivot level. Ethereum even traded below 2,800 support, same as Bitcoin did, below the 100 hourly simple moving average. It traded as low as $2,718 before the bulls appeared. And we saw as it started an upside correction and climb above the 2,750 level. Price was able to surpass the 2,800 resistance this morning. Let's look at the top alts by market cap. We see BNB there, $391. It's all green there. We're seeing that relief rally this morning. The weekend was quite rough for the crypto market. BNB there trading up 3.66%. Cardano 0.7, that's about 79 cents, up 2.69%. All right, let's bring in Olumide Adesina now. Hello, Olumide, good morning.
Hello, Raji, good morning.
Yeah, Olumide, happy new month, happy Workers' Day. Quite an interesting, April was quite interesting for the altcoins, Bitcoin, and global equities market. It was quite a bearish run, but now we're in May and we're seeing a little relief rally, for Bitcoin, but it seems to be bouncing back again. But I don't know, is this sustainable?
Yeah, very good question, Ladi. Understanding fully well that the crypto market had a month that a lot of investors will want to forget about. I'm talking of the late sell-offs we saw in mid to late April, as growing concerns that the US Fed would definitely tighten the economy was on the table. And that's why we see the dollar rallying at 20-year high. But the question is, despite the rally we're seeing today, the market fully understands that May 4 meeting would definitely give the crypto markets, investors, bulls a lot of concern. Because right now, despite the fact we saw Bitcoin taking back the 38,000 support level, Ethereum hovering above 2,800 per coin, it seems still like more downside pressures are expected. Like I rightly said, liquidity is getting tight. The US Fed is committed to reduce billions of dollars every month on their balance sheet. So it's very hard to say if the bulls will really rally. But you see, the truth of the beauty of the crypto market is that despite those concerns, we've seen Bitcoin being aggressive. Today, you see other classes, especially commodities, and those things going against the dollar falling. But Bitcoin seems to be fired up. But Ladi, it's very difficult to bet against the US Fed when we're in the financial market.
Quite interesting, and a strong US dollar at this point, hoping that pulls back at some point. But another altcoin, ApeCoin, that one has had an incredible run from about $6 in March to a high of about $26. But it has pulled back from $26. But ApeCoin futures saw a $36 million liquidation, after a volatile trading. How are traders seeing that?
Surprisingly, just like you rightly said, for those that don't know what ApeCoin really stands for, so it's really one of the tokens that come behind the popular NFT Bored Apes that have the pictures of monkeys. And ever since it came to tokenization, and I'm talking of the coin level, we've seen increasing demand, especially among people that don't have exposure to the Bored Apes NFTs. But just like you rightly mentioned, the asset lost more than 30% in a couple of days after rallying more than 2,800% since March. Really will make investors to feel like this is just profit taking. But the interesting thing about ApeCoin is that it has a very exciting ecosystem. Most owners are definitely among the higher middle class when you understand the floor price of a Bored Ape NFT going for around $280,000. You understand why the excitement is around the ApeCoin ecosystem. But having said those things, I think it's fair to understand that, yes, we're going to see sustainable profit taking, especially when the BS take control of that.
Yeah, profit taking will always come into play. See them owning pictures of bored monkeys. Quite interesting times in the crypto space. Olumide, thank you so much. Olumide, it was great having you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, same here, lad. Thank you.
All right, so that's it for the markets. It's quite green this morning. Hoping that can continue throughout the week, and maybe May might be that good month for the crypto market and other global equities market. But at the end of the day, sometimes that saying "sell in May and go away" comes into play.